Aloha guys, Aaron from Hawaii Music School here. Today's lick of the day was actually done on a baritone ukulele. And it's a real easy turnaround. It's just D, C, D, C, and then D7 back into G. So let's look at how we played it. So what I did was I slid up from, this is the 10 and 9, and I'm sliding into 11 and 10. Okay, so, and that's the two middle strings. So 9, 10, right? So 9 on the second string, 10 on the third string. And I slide in, and then I lean my first finger back to the first string. So it's right underneath it, right? So I'm down here at 10 now. And I pick it again. So, and then I go backwards. So what that is I'm picking 10 and 11, and then 9 and 10, and I slide into 8 and 9. Then I hit that 8. So then we pick those two in the middle again, and this is still on 8 and 9, and I slide in. So I pick 8 and 9, and I slide 9 and 10 to 10 and 11. And then I repeat, yeah? So it's... Okay, now I go down to here. I keep that same shape. And that's going from second and third into the third and fourth. And then I catch the third string, or third fret of the first string. So same move, yeah? Pick, down a half step, and then slide. And I hit the top string. And I play D7. And this is a D7 chord on the baritone. Looks like a G7 on the standard ukulele. And so that's 2, 1, 2, right? On the third string, second string, and first string. And then back into my chord, which is the G chord, barring the third fret of the first and second string, and then the fourth fret of the third string and the fifth fret of the fourth string. Okay? And then the last part is I take that, so it's like a D shape down here. I'm playing it here. So 5, 6, 5 on 3, 2, 1. And then I'm just moving it up in half step increments. So 1 fret each. 1, 2, 3. And I come down here and I play G7, which is a bar across the third fret. And it's the fourth fret of the third string. And that gives me my dominant 7 chords. So all together it goes. So hopefully you guys like the lick. And as usual, if you like the lick, go ahead and hit that like button below. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because I could always use more subscribers. And if you like the way I teach, then get on my website, hawaiimusicschool.com. In fact, right now we got a free 2-week trial membership. So if you sign up, you get 2 weeks free. Can't beat that deal. And hopefully I'll see you around, guys. Aloha.